share my trackers with my students. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to their classroom on Teams. And I know that I have different options to share files. I know that with trackers, each student should have their own, and it should also be private so that they're the only ones that can see it aside from myself. So I know that putting it here in the general is not going to work because everyone can see it. Putting it in files also will not be the best option, again, because everyone in the class can see everyone else's tracker. So the only way for me to do a private tracking system is to use the class notebook. In order to do that, I'm going to go ahead and open my notebook up, and I'm going to make sure that I have a section for a goal tracker. And then what I need to do is I need to make sure that I have a page in there to add the tracking page. So I'm going to put add page at the bottom. Once I do that, I'm going to just title it student tracker. And then I'm going to be inserting an attachment and a printout of that tracker. In order to insert the file, I will click insert, and then I will click file. To do the attachment, I will click insert as attachment. And then I will browse my computer until I find the document, and it's right here. When I insert this as an attachment, it's inserted as a Word file, and that means that students will be able to open the Word file and make changes. I also, however, want to give students quick access to just see what the tracker looks like. So I'm going to also insert it as a file printout. Whenever I insert something as a printout, it's going to literally print out what that image looks like, what that document looks like as an image. Now that I have my attachment and my printout, I want to make sure that I can give this to my students. So I'm going to distribute this page to them. To distribute the page, I'm going to go to Class Notebook, Distribute Page, and then I'll select Distribute Page again. I'm going to select the section. So here I'm going to put it in the goal tracker section, and then I'll select Distribute. It'll give me a progress of the distribution, and now it is done. So now my students have access to their own tracker in their own folder. I can see it, and they're the only other person that could see it.